Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 2x plus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So you got about 2x plus 1. But we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. So we have u squared minus 1 over number 2 equals to x. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and first derivative of this one, you got about 2u du. First derivative of u squared, you got about 2u. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. X we change by this one. The x we change by u du. Now we need to simplify u and u. And now we just have this one left. Now we need to expand this one. Now I will put number 4 go outside. Now we can get the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, you got about u to the power of 5 over 5. This one you got about u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1 you got about u, and we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.